Hello, students. Welcome in English class. Today, in this chapter, next part, we are going to start. I jumped over the bench. Means we will start with the little French when he reached the school. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Not till then, when I had got a little over my fright. Means little French when observed the condition of Mr. Hamel and the class, then his fear means went away. He became very less fearful. And did I see that over? You know, he had on his beautiful green coat. Means on that day Mr. Hamel had weared very beautiful and occasionally dress, and his frilled means whatever dress he had weared having frills. On that day Mr. Hamel had weared frilled shirt and the little black silk cap, embroidered means decorated, that he never wore except on inspection and prize days. मीन्स जिस दिन इंस्पेक्शन रहता था और प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, ऐसे ओकेजनली ड्रेस मिस्टर हैमल ने पहन रखे थे उस दिन. बिसाइड्स द होल स्कूल सेम टू स्ट्रेंज एंड सोलम. सोलम मीन्स क्वाइट, शांत. चारों तरफ एकदम सन्नाटा था. बट द थिंग दैट सरप्राइज्ड मी most was to see on the back benches that were always empty. Means little French become surprised seeing the back bench because it always being often empty, but on that day that seat also full. The village people sitting quietly like ourselves. Old Hauser with his three-cornered hat, the former mayor, the former postmaster, and several others besides. मीन्स जो मेयर थे, पोस्टमास्टर थे और जो सम्मानित व्यक्ति थे विलेज के, वो आकर के बैक बेंच पे उस दिन बैठे हुए थे. एवरीबडी लुक्ड सैड. सभी दुखी थे. एंड हाउसर हैड ब्रॉट एन ओल्ड प्राइमर थम्ड एट the edge, and he held it open on his knees with his great spectacles lying across the pages. Means the old man also came with old primer, और वो अपना चश्मा वहाँ पे लेकर के बैठा हुआ था. While I was wondering about it all, and little French become very surprised, feeling wonder about the all things. Mr. Hamel mounted his chair and in the same grave and gentle tone which he had used to me said, "My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you." Means on that day Mr. Hamel became very polite, and politely he was saying to little French, और उन्होंने लिटिल फ्रेंच से कहा कि मेरे बच्चे, आज का मेरा लेसन जो है वो लास्ट लेसन होगा, क्योंकि उसके बाद से फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज बंद हो जाएगी. ओके. द ऑर्डर हैज़ कम फ्रॉम बर्लिन टू टीच ओनली जर्मन इन द स्कूल्स ऑफ एल्सेक एंड लॉरिने. बर्लिन से ऑर्डर आया है कि आज से जो है फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज बंद करके जर्मन लैंग्वेज स्टार्ट की जाएगी स्कूल्स में. द न्यू मास्टर कम्स टुमारो. और जो नए टीचर हैं वो कल से आएंगे. दिस इज योर लास्ट फ्रेंच लेसन. मीन्स इट इज़ द टाइटल ऑफ द चैप्टर. ये अंतिम पार्ट है फ्रेंच का. आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी वेरी अटेंटिव, एंड मिस्टर हैमल want to teach this lesson to collected gathered all who were there very attentively. बहुत ही ध्यान से पढ़ाना चाहते थे. ओके. what a thunderclap these words were to me. और ये शब्द उनके लिए, लिटिल फ्रेंच के लिए बिजली की गड़गड़ाहट के समान थी, थंडर क्लैप. Okay. Oh, the wretches! That was what they had put up at the town hall. My last French lesson. Why, I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn any more. I must stop there. Then, oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lessons, for seeking birds, eggs, or going sliding on the stair. My books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago, so heavy to carry, my grammar and my history of the saints were old friends now that I couldn't give up. Means it is the wordings of Mr. Hamel. He was very sad on that day and he want to teach whatever he was knowing to the peoples, coming peoples, because it was his last lesson. So attentively he want to teach them. And he was saying, means Berlin commanding officers can change the language of persons, but they cannot change the language of birds and atmosphere surrounding everything. Okay? And Mr. Hamel too. The idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. It means it is the wordings of Little French. He want to forget Mr. Hamel and his punishments because he was going to enjoy another language from that day. Okay? Means whatever rulers and whatever punishment he got by the Mr. Hamel, he want to forget everything from that day. Okay? So, students, you have to read this chapter. You have to read this chapter till here today. Okay? And the meaning of cranky, a word given here, a word given cranky. Yes, cranky he was. Cranky means unusual, strange, vichitra. Okay? You have to write difficult word meaning. Thanks.